Welcome back to the Speedex Tools YouTube page. This is Mufaddal back again. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 best power tools to have in every person's collection. These power tools will cover everything and a lot of different work that you can do, especially for DIY. Stay tuned to see what is the top 5 best power tools to have in your collection. Let's go. So we have 5 categories of different power tools. We have a power drill, we have a orbital sander, we have a jigsaw, a multi-tool, and even a cordless screwdriver. And each and every category, we have 2 options, a more budget-friendly and an expensive one. Now, enough of me talking, let's see what we have here. First on the list is cordless power drill. We have our budget-friendly from Yato and a more expensive one from Milwaukee. Now let's talk about why you need this power tool. So a cordless drill is the foundation of any power tool setup that you have at home. This is one of the most versatile tools that you can have in your collection. You can drill screws, you can screw screws. Wait, what? Screws. And you can drill holes accurately and effectively, especially with these 2 brands, and of course the other brands we hold. But I'm highlighting these 2 because these are the ones I chose. There's no reason. They're all good brands. So now think of some home DIY cases that you can use. Simple stuff. Hanging your TV on the wall, hanging picture frames on the wall, fixing your furniture. So many different stuff. Tightening bolts, because with one power tool, you can attach, there's no battery. With one power tool, you can attach so many different attachments over here, and you can do so many different use cases just with this one power tool. This is one of the most ultimate tools to have in your power tool setup. Now the exact drill that we have is this Yato Cordless drill. This one is going only for 475 dirhams. It's available on Speedex Tools website. And this one is a Milwaukee M18 cordless drill. This comes in a set with the drill, 2 batteries and a charger, going for 1,499 dirhams. These are very good prices, especially this one with the set. The batteries, having more batteries is never a bad thing. You can just pop it in, put it in charge, pop it in, put it in charge, that cycle, pop it in, put it in charge, pop it in, put it in charge. Everyone loves it. You can never have too many batteries. So now this is enough for the drills. Let's move on to the next one, which is orbital sanders. For orbital sanders, I have these 2 corded options, one from Yato and one from Dewalt. Now let me tell you why you need an orbital sander in your setup. So now why do you need an orbital sander, especially a power tool orbital sander? Because these are the tools that make your projects look professional and clean. A lot of people come to me and say, what's the point of getting a sander? I'll just take my own sandpaper and do it by hand. And all I do is tell them, okay, are you in the 1950s? You want to do everything by hand? Innovation happens. Spend a little bit of money, get the orbital sander. It makes everything so much easier. Instead of doing sanding like this, you can just press the button and nicely, evenly smooth your surface out. Why I like orbital sanders a lot is because a lot of different stuff, for example, some home DIY cases is refinishing your old furniture. You have old rigid furniture from 100 years. Use a sander, make it look clean. Protect your hand from splinters. When you have any wood projects going on, especially like this table, after you do all the drilling and cutting, to clean it out, take the sander and just make it smooth and professional. And also, if you're ever planning to paint something, painting your wood projects, painting your walls or anything, sometimes if you see that the paint is not properly on, it doesn't look good, it doesn't look clean, it's probably because you skipped out on sanding it. So people always look across orbital sanders and think it's not worth it, but the orbital sanders is what makes your project into looking good, into looking amazing and perfect, and that's why I chose orbital sanders as number 2 on this list. Now, as for the specific sanders that we have over here, we have the Yato Rotary sander. This one is going only for 195 dirhams, and this one is the Dewalt orbital sander. This one is going for 339 dirhams. Both are very good options. They are corded, which I think that it's better to get corded instead of cordless, especially sanders is not used throughout the whole project. It's just used at the end when you're finishing off. So when you reach that stage, you don't need to put it in different places.
Bye, have a great time.
In different locations and hard to reach locations. That's why getting a corded sander is a little bit easier and it helps a little bit on your pocket. What? So now the Dewalt and the Yato sanders are ready. Let's move on to the next product, which is the jigsaws. So now jigsaws is mainly for cutting wood. This is a smaller use case of cutting wood for more precise and fine cuts of wood. That's the main difference between jigsaws and circular saws. You use a circular saw, those big machines, not big machines, like a bigger than the jigsaw, of course, and you can use it to cut maybe planks, 3x4, 2x4 planks, which are much fatter. But now when you want to work on tables, more finer materials like MDF boards and plywood, that's when you use jigsaws. Jigsaw is a little more compact and for finer cuts and not those big cuts. So if you have big cuts coming up in your projects, I suggest getting a circular saw. But for the start, in my top 5, it's a jigsaw or a circular saw. I just didn't choose a circular saw for now. So now jigsaw, what are jigsaws used for? I already said a bit, but they're for cutting wood indoors. You can use it to cut your furniture. You can use it for straight and curved cuts because you can just easily move it and move it around. And of course, when you cut it in curves, it's not all going to be perfect. Then what do you do after you cut it? You take the sander and you make it look perfect. I'm telling you, everything I say, it all adds up, comes together. So you can use this for, again, I said many times, you can use it more finer cuts, making small projects, making, what else can I say? Sorry, why does this keep falling down? You can use it to cut your shelving, to make it look more smaller. If you want to, if the profile of the shelf is too big, you can make it smaller. I'm just thinking out of the head right now, no script, just me improvising. That's why I like jigsaws. Take the machine and just cut it. Easy, simple. Now the specific jigsaws we have over here, this is a Yato jigsaw, cordless jigsaw. This one is only going for 125 dirhams. And this Bosch GST 185 Li is coming only for 699 dirhams. These are two very good jigsaws, very perfect jigsaws for very good use cases. This is why this is number 3 on my list. Now let's go number 4, which is the Multitool. The Oscillating Multitool. This is a tool that no one thinks about and no one thinks that you need it unless and until you actually need it. These tools can make or break your projects. It can save your projects, especially if you're going for tighter spaces and very fine jobs. This multi-tool, you can attach a lot of different attachments over here on both of these power tools. These are very good multi-tools, and let me tell you some extra home DIY cases that you can use this for. So now some home DIY use cases for this oscillating multi-tools. You can use it to trim door frames. You can use it to cut any screws. Maybe if you have a screw sticking out of your project, you can use the multi-tool to cut the screw so it looks more neat and tidy. You can use it to maybe remove grout and adhesive from various different locations. This is mainly used for home DIY repairs. This is the perfect tool for small fixes around the house. Oscillating multi-tool, Yato and Milwaukee. So now the Yato Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is going only for 165 dirhams, while the Milwaukee N12 Multi-Tool is going for 929 dirhams. Multi-tools, you just have to believe me when I say that you need it, especially for home DIY repairs and tiny fixes around the house. This is a tool you need. This is why it's number 4 on my list. So number 5 on the list is a cordless screwdriver. I have these two cordless screwdrivers, one from Yato and one from Makita. A cordless screwdriver is basically a drill driver, but lighter, smaller, compactor, and easier. Perfect for everyday fixes. This is a very underrated power tool because people think, hey, why should I buy a cordless screwdriver and a cordless drill driver? But they do share similar use cases and all that. But why I say to also get a cordless screwdriver? Because of the fact that it's so much smaller and lighter and easier to use. And also because it's smaller, you can use it to fit in more smaller places. You know, some examples of home DIY cases, if you want to fix any screws, you can use this to, you can use this to drill a hole in the wall and then use this tool to screw the screw in. You can use all these power tools together to make your projects and whatever work you want to do easier. Then you can use these screwdrivers, you know, of course, to help fix your furniture where you don't need too much power. Because sometimes furniture, the screws that furniture companies give are very weak, and they're not weak according to the furniture used, but they're weak compared to other screws. So when you have a high torque drill driver over here, it can sometimes break the screw. So that's why people like to use these cordless screwdrivers. Very less power, very less torque, and a low chance of breaking the screws. So you can use it to fix your furniture. When you have small, tight places where you want to reach and screw something in, this is so much more perfect because, very versatile, very small. You can change the orientation, screw it in with just a button like this. These cordless screwdrivers are very good for household repairs. And if you have a lot of small repairs happening around the house, this is a much more better power tool to use than a cordless drill. It's just easier and better for your hand and everything. Now, for the price of these two items, this Yato cordless screwdriver is only going for 49 dirhams. Even I can't believe it. I know I set the price, but still, only going for 49 dirhams. This is so easy. It's a small purchase. You can just add, you can keep in your pocket. That's how small it is. And this Makita full set together with all the screw bits and the charger is going for 206 dirhams. This is a very good price. So I think that's it. I think I covered the top 5 power tools you should have in your collection. Of course, this is something that I thought of. These are my opinions. Everyone has different use cases and different types of tools that you need for their projects. Now, whatever you think is best, I want to hear your opinions. I want to see what you think. Drop it down in the comments below, and I want to see what are your top 5 power tools. And of course, I mentioned a lot of different prices between Yato and the other brands, but you have to remember that they are different brands at different levels. They're all very high quality. They will last you a lifetime, but the use cases is different. So it all depends on you and what you want to use these power tools for. It's up to you. We at Speedex have it all, from cheaper items to much more expensive items. We have the whole range. You just walk in and you'll find everything that you need. And all of these products are of course available and linked down in the description below for you to easily shop at speedextools.com. Thank you so much for watching our Speedex Tools YouTube video. We've been posting a lot recently and we're trying to grow. If you have any feedback for us, drop it down in the comments below or message us on Instagram or TikTok. We're active everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mufaddal signing out.